a safe. Supposedly down. Keep an eye for 12. It's my 12. I got it. Gonna bring the safe to the ref who gave me the mission in here somewhere. Dad! 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 I got your safe.
Yay! Bring it to Hagen.
What? Are you shitting me?
And then I'll give you money.
Bring it to... What's the point?
We will double your money.
Yes, we will.
I'll get all my money stolen.
That's the point.
I just have to bring it there and drop it, and then come back without it?
Yes, yes. We're going to be at the bank.
Alright. Alright.
Maybe Hagen's a little bit too dangerous.
What do I look like?
Because there's only like 10 of them all to do. Alright. Alright, guys. I'll be back. Hey! I have a present for you guys. What's going on, guys? Drop that shit off for you. No problem.
Did you sell more crack? You want some more crack?
Want some crack?
I want my money to be doubled like you guys have promised me for dropping that off.
Shit.
Oh, yeah?
My money just so
Did you
happened to be
drop off the
600
safe?
before
Yeah,
I did that.
600.
Before I dropped off the safe, I had 600. Alrighty. So what else do you guys have for me?
We got
That-
crack.
You can drop off my safe.
At the same place?
No, up in the church tower.
They were surprisingly friendly when I dropped that off. Up in the tower?
Yeah, I'll give you, it's a short run. I'll give you 300 for it.
Church tower?
Church tower.
Gotcha, alright.
There you go, sir.
Alright.
No. Here's one more. Here's one more.
I have to
You were
re-secure my
quick about
wallet.
it.
Hold on.
Yeah, well, not worried about it. Alright, so if you sell me some crack, try to sell it for like,
I get some deals off the youngins.
yes, yeah. Sell it to them. So 200 for the rock.
Do you have any rocks right now? I got a rock right here. And then you
2
can sell
honey for
this.
those rocks? 2 honey, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll take this safe, this one, and this one, and sell all your shit and be back there in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I want half. Not for the safe, but for the,
Same here.
You want half? So you want 100 for these? Alright. Gotcha. No, come on. Get ready. Put it on semi.
What are you putting in the safe in there?
I have to put it into the church. He's looking at us. Jamie, come stand in this window and just look at him. Don't aim your gun at him. Just look at him. If he starts shooting at us, then shoot him, right?
Okay.
Hey, Dad! Hey, Dad! Dad! That was you. Who wants his crack rocks? Crack! Come get your crack! Crack!
This is your competition. Are you going to take them out or what?
We're
I'll give you
partners.
$100 right now.
We're partners. That's my other crack rock. I have an employee now.
No.
Hey, speaking of which, I just got your safe in that building, so
I say you buy it.
what's going on with that?
You buy
You
it.
got to talk to him.
I just got your safe in that building, man. He saw it. He saw me. He saw me dump my safe in this building that you needed in.
How much did I say I was gonna pay you?
You guys said you were gonna do 500 for that safe. That was pretty big. I got shot 3 times in that mission.
Child, wanna buy some cocaine?
Now you don't have to count it. Let's take that whole walk.
Always looking. You're good. Oh, you got 3.
Crack! What do you want, 100 bucks? 100 bucks? You can resell this right now, 300 bills. 300 bills. You buy this 100, you flop it for 3.
This big box, cocaine.
Yeah.
Now you
Yeah.
gotta give me 100.
Now you
Hey,
got-
hey, you gotta give me 100.
All right, there you go.
That is an illegal substance. I do not know what you think you are doing.
He just tried to buy drugs off me.
is a true patriot.
That man is a no. That is a $300 illegal substance tax.
Not only that, that is Mexican crack.
Oh,
That's not even American made.
From Mexico? No, that's $400.
All right, come on. We got to go find someone to sell our American-made coke and crack to.
No, that is still $400. I saw you drop the rock.
Support the economy. Hey, come on. You know what? You know what? We're gonna help Jar out. We're gonna go in here and sell our crack and our cocaine to the people he's shooting at, so that they're all disoriented and hopped up on all sorts of shit. No, I'm not working with them. Come get your crack!
Who wants cocaine?
Crack! Cocaine!
I sell you cocaine. Hey, man.
It's Red Bulls! It gives you wings!
Hey, man. You want some cocaine? I sell you cocaine.
Let me see that crack rock.
I sell you some cocaine, man.
Crack! Who wants the crack?
What about some cocaine?
Crack! Crack! Who wants crack? Crack! Hey, you guys want to buy some crack? Crack! CDI! Where are you? Hey! What? Oh, really? Guess what happened to me?
I have $2,900 in a safe of money in my pocket.
Yo.
Put that way. I have a safe. I haven't able to crack it yet.
Let's go get a corporation. We got enough money.
I have 1,700.
Oh, let's make 2 corporations. We got enough money. Let's go. Red Bulls! It gives you wings!
Berm?
He's on the other side, right in the middle of the berm.
Where, like, there?
Like,
Shoot again, I didn't see.
right over there. That's where he is. Yeah, he just ran back. Fuck! Ah! It's okay. I know. I'm in the way. Ah!